Question number 1. In which of the phases of the first stage of the BUY project are the needs of our business defined?
Well picked. Determination of needs is the correct answer.
Question number 2. What are some of the business environmental factors that make the business becoming more complex?
You chose markets, consumer demands, technology, and societal. And it is correct.
Question number 3. Which is not a benefit of BUY in business organizations according to a survey by Thomson?
Exactly. Increase the prestige of a company makes sense, and it is right choice.
Question number 4. Which analytics help business decide a course of actions based on computer programs' predictions?
Nice work. You chose prescriptive analytics, and it is correct.
Question number 5. These are the moral principles that govern a person's behavior or the conducting of an activity.
Good job. Your answer ethics works well here.
Question number 6. After explaining visualization, what is the function of visualization in business intelligence?
Sharp thinking. Detect patterns is the right choice.
Question number 7. Maps the core warehouse metadata to business concepts, familiar and useful to end users.
Correct response. Application-level metadata is the most accurate answer.
Question number 8. VirtualBox is a software that implements what component of the business intelligence system?
Right choice. None of the above is the best answer.
Question number 9. What do you consider to be the purpose of business intelligence solutions in organizations?
Well reasoned. Facilitate decision-making is the correct choice.
Question number 10. What business intelligence tool allows you to view information graphically and intuitively?
Smart move.
Reporting tools is an accurate answer.
Question number 11. Business intelligence is a broad category of application programs which includes
Smart pick. All of the above is the correct choice.
Question number 12. On what levels of an organization does business intelligence have the greatest influence?
Strong choice. Strategic level is the right answer.
Question number 13. The historical database or data warehouse facilitates business intelligence tasks by
Good thinking. The data is integrated is the right answer.
Question number 14 is a technology of immediate access to data with the help of multidimensional structures.
Great job. Knowledge management system is the accurate answer.
Question number 15. What are the main responsibilities of the business intelligence team in an organization?
Nice selection. Collect and analyze data to support decision-making is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 16. What is the main purpose of collecting universe data for business intelligence purposes?
On track. To gain customer insight and improve business decision making is the correct answer.
Question number 17. The internet emerged as a new medium of viewing and brought all of the following except.
Clear logic. Your choice new forms of business logic calculation is sound and 100% true.
Question number 18. Business intelligence development is divided into 6 stages in correct sequence, namely:
Great thinking. Justification, planning, business analysis, design, construction, deployment is the right choice.
Question number 19. 4 examples of applications of artificial intelligence in today's life.
Well done. Pairing soulmates on Tinder is the right choice.
Question number 20. Which topics are covered in the Certified Business Intelligence Professional Program?
Bravo. All of the above is the answer.
Question number 21. What business intelligence tool allows you to collect and evaluate new information?
Excellent choice. Tools to discover new data is the right answer.
Question number 22. Give an example of a descriptive analytics technique used in business intelligence.
Nicely done. Data mining is a solid answer.
Question number 23. What is one of the key advantages of business intelligence for organizations?
Correct. Facilitate making informed decisions based on data is the right answer. Question number 24. In what year was business intelligence recommended by consultant Howard Netherner?
Solid response. 1989 is a valid choice.
Question number 25. The following sources can be used for business intelligence.
You're right. ERP is the correct answer.
Question number 26. Which of the following is not a component of business intelligence analysis cycle?
Perfect. Design is the correct choice.
Question number 27. What are the ethical considerations in data analytics and business intelligence? Right again. Privacy, consent, transparency, fairness, and accountability is a valid answer.
Question number 28. In what year did the use of the term business intelligence become widespread?
You got it. Your choice 1997 is right.
Question number 29. How many major processes are being performed by a business intelligence system? Excellent. 5 is a brilliant choice.
Question number 30. What is the application of machine learning methods to a large database called?
Valid point. Data mining is true. Question number 31. In the customer service department, what is business intelligence useful for?
Bravo. Identify market segments and retain the most profitable customers is the answer.
Question number 32. What are the key performance indicators used in business intelligence? Strong choice. Metrics is the right answer. Question number 33. One of the worst practices when building a business intelligence project is?
Solid response. Leave common users out of the project is a valid choice.
Question number 34. It is a software tool that contains the Apache, Peach, Miscal, or Mariad server.
Excellent. SAMP is a brilliant choice.
Question number 35. What are data called that describe the physical characteristics of the data? Well done. Technical metadata is the right choice. Question number 36. The tools that allow transformation of data into information and knowledge.
Well reasoned. Business analytics is the correct choice.
Question number 37. Which is IBM's business intelligence and performance management software?
Correct response. Cognos is the most accurate answer.
Question number 38. Which of the following is not an application of artificial intelligence? Nice work. You chose DBMs, and it is correct.
Question number 39. With business performance management, bank administrators will supervise.
Right again. Balanced scorecard is a valid answer. Question number 40. Business intelligence is a group of applications that include dash. Sharp thinking. All answers are correct is the right choice.
Question number 41. Business intelligence is an umbrella term that incorporates what items?
Great job. Applications, infrastructure and tools, and best practices is the accurate answer.
Question number 42. Dash databases are owned by particular departments or business groups.
You're right. Operational is the correct answer.
Question number 43 allows monitoring, measuring, and comparing key performance indicators.
Valid point. Business performance management is true.
Question number 44. It can be considered that the essence of business intelligence is dash.
Well picked. Generate knowledge from data and information is the correct answer.
Question number 45. Which of the following cannot be answered using business intelligence?
Perfect. Where should the business go to improve the past is the correct choice.
Question number 46. A business intelligence solution is represented by a series of dash. Good job. Your answer reports. Graphs, meters works well here.
Question number 47. Data that can be used for business intelligence is?
Smart pick. Future data is the correct choice.
Question number 48. How would you roughly define the concept of business intelligence?
Correct. Applications for information management and decision making is the right answer.
Question number 49. What is the name of the data that describes how the data is used?
You chose business metadata, and it is correct.
Question number 50. Which by approach focuses on the analysis of business processes?
You got it? Your choice process-driven approach is right. Question number 51. How many components are there in a business intelligence system? Clear logic. Your choice 3 is sound and 100% true. Question number 52. Advantages of applying business intelligence in an organization.
Right choice. Competitive difference is the best answer.
Question number 53. What is one of the financial benefits of business intelligence?
On track. Identify savings and efficiency opportunities is the correct answer.
Question number 54. It is a software platform for machine learning and data mining.
Good thinking. Weka is the right answer.
Question number 55. What is the main advantage offered by business intelligence?
Nicely done. Offer a decision support tool is a solid answer. Question number 56. Buy is applied in many business areas of the bank, including. Exactly. All three answers above make sense, and it is right choice.
Question number 57. Allows access and easy manipulation of other buy components.
Great thinking. User interface is the right choice.
Question number 58. Machine learning is a subset of which of the following?
Nice selection. Artificial intelligence is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 59. What are not the advantages of buy systems in business?
Smart move. High cost is an accurate answer.
Question number 60. Hierarchical decomposition of organization's business.
Excellent choice. Business function model is the right answer.
Question number 61. A large repository of well-organized historical data.
Correct. Data warehouse is the right answer.
Question number 62. What is the main goal of business intelligence?
Correct response. Converting data into information for decision-making is the most accurate answer. Question number 63. Apa parent seorang business intelligence engineer. Well-reasoned. Design and build it infrastructure for buy is the correct choice.
Question number 64. Dash systems include in business intelligence.
You're right. All the above is the correct answer.
Question number 65. Processes implemented for business functions.
Solid response. Business process model is a valid choice.
Question number 66. Which of the following is not a type of CEST?
Nice selection. Software as a service is the correct and valid answer. Question number 67. Processes involved in business intelligence.
Strong choice. Data preparation is the right answer.
Question number 68. Process in business intelligence.
On track. Data source do data mining OLAP data analysis, reporting decision making is the correct answer. Question number 69. Descriptive detail of the business models. Well picked. Metadata repository is the correct answer.
Question number 70. What 4 tasks do organizations use B for?
Right choice. Informing, deciding, problem solving. Project manager is the best answer. Question number 71. Open source business intelligence tool. Clear logic. Your choice Pentaho is sound and 100% true. Question number 72. It is an open source database manager. Well done. MySQL is the right choice. Question number 73. Uses of business intelligence. Bravo. Certainty in budgeting and financial planning is the answer. Question number 74. What is not a challenge in buy? Right again. Modern business tools at low cost is a valid answer.
Question number 75B. Major objective is to dash.
You chose enable easy access to data and models. And it is correct.
Question number 76. Business intelligence include.
Smart pick. All of the above is the correct choice. Question number 77. What is foreign trade? Good job. Your answer a branch of international business. Works well here.
Question number 78. Smart business system.
Valid point. Identify service patterns, relationships and trends is true. Question number 79. By stands for dash.
Nicely done. Business intelligence is a solid answer.
Question number 80. Expansion of CESP.
Perfect. Self-service business intelligence is the correct choice.
Question number 81. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Exactly. Contact Narayan Changder makes sense and it is right choice.